Hello, my name is Caitlin Small. Today is February 14th, 2020. I am going to be calculating the tidal volume as well as the resting tidal volume as well as the tidal volume per minute in liters of an average breath of mine. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start a timer for 30 seconds and breathe normally. I'm going to count how many breaths I do in that 30 seconds. I'm going to multiply that by 2 and create my estimated average breath in a 1 minute period of time. So that's what we're going to start with. I'm going to start now. Okay, so I got 16, and since we're only doing one trial, this is the number that we're going to use our calculations for instead of an average. So 16 breaths in 30 seconds equals 32 breaths in a minute. I'm going to write that down and save it for later. Now I'm going to blow into this balloon and measure the circumference of it so that we can use that for our next part in the calculation. Alright, so now I'm going to take my tape measure . Around the balloon, push down slightly, and it is 46.5 centimeters around. I'm going to write that down. Okay, now the next step is I'm going to take this circumference and I'm going to find the radius of it. In order to do that, I take my circumference, which is 46.5 centimeters, and I'm going to divide that by 2 pi, which is the equivalent of 6.28, which comes out to be 7.4 centimeters. I'm going to write that down. Now, in order to find the tidal volume at rest, I am going to take that radius, I am going to cube it, multiply that by 4 pi, and then divide by 3. So 7.4 cubed is 405.22 times 4 pi equals 5,089.56 milliliters. And then we're supposed to divide all of that by 3, which brings the tidal volume at rest to 1,696.53 milliliters. It went from centimeters to milliliters when we cubed the radius. Okay, so now we're going on to the final step. We're going to take our tidal volume at rest and we are going to multiply it by my average breathing rate, which was 32 breaths per minute, and then divide that by 1,000 to find my tidal volume per minute in liters, also known as my minute ventilation. So let's go ahead and do that. Times 32 divided by 1,000 comes out to be 54.28 liters per minute. So that is the final number we were looking for, 54.28 liters per minute of air volume per average breath. Thank you.